Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, Laura got a new hairstyle. Yes, everything new this year, okay? So, I'm so excited because while I was recording this, I came up with an idea, you guys. All you gotta do is stay tuned, keep watching. You guys will find out exactly how I achieved this style. Okay. Whatever hair that I use, all the products that I use is right in this video, you guys. But the only difference is this is a watch and learn video, you guys. And I will be doing a voiceover of some daily affirmations because this channel is supposed to be helping the world heal. Okay, I just want to share the things that I've learned along my healing journey, and you guys, I wish I would have did this sooner. And yeah, I ain't gonna spill beans too much. Just keep watching. Affirmations are short, powerful, positive statements to help you to challenge and overcome negative thoughts. Regularly and sincerely reciting affirmations can bring positive changes into your life. I can do whatever I put my mind to. Every day I develop my constructive habits. I am a positive person, aware of my potential. Everything I need to succeed is in my possession. Success will come to me. A positive attitude is something everyone can work on, and everyone can learn how to employ it. I am an open channel for endless creativity and wisdom. I appreciate my body, and I have a brilliant mind. I know what I should do in any situation. I always know what I should do in any situation. I approve myself in everything that I do. I am the sum of my thoughts. That is why my thoughts are positive. I believe in my abilities, and I find it easy to express myself. I am grateful for all the good things I have in my life. I attract joy and abundance into my life. I am above negative thoughts and actions. He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually right. Let me repeat that one. He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually right. A positive attitude can really make dreams come true. It did for me. Yes, it did. I focus on what I can do, not on what I can't. I have unlimited energy for life. I have unlimited energy for life. I had to repeat that one, y'all. That's good. That is so good. I look after myself and my body is strong and healthy. Ooh, baby, yes. Let me repeat that one for y'all. I look after myself and my body is strong and healthy. Yes, Lord. I become more knowledgeable every day. I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. Every day I feel more and more confident and ready to face the world. Every day I feel more and more confident and ready to face the world. I am patient, tolerant, and diplomatic. I wake up in the morning feeling happy and enthusiastic about the day ahead. I wake up in the morning feeling happy and enthusiastic about the day ahead. Confidence comes naturally to me. Confidence comes naturally to me. I have been given endless talents, which I will utilize today. I have been given endless talents, which I will utilize today. What I want is already here or on its way. What I want is already here or on its way. I forgive those who have troubled me in the past and peacefully detach from them. I forgive those who have troubled me in the past and peacefully detach from them. I am ready to face the day with confidence. I am ready to face the day with confidence. Challenges or opportunities to improve or change. Challenges or opportunities to improve or change. I am changing myself, my thinking, and my life for the better. I am changing myself, my thinking, and my life for the better. Leap and the net will appear. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Success is my driving force. Success is my driving force. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more prosperous. I always have whatever I need. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more prosperous. I always have whatever I need. I can handle all problems with ease. I can handle all problems with ease. Multiple opportunities are always there for me, and I take advantage of them. I am grateful for experiences that help me learn. My whole being overflows with joy. I release negative thoughts and embrace optimism. My work is enjoyable and satisfies me completely. I tap into a wellspring of inner happiness anytime I want to. If you can dream it, you can do it. I am relaxed in every moment. I deserve self-praise, and I am open to receiving it. Creative energy flows through me. When you think positive, good things happen. I feel joy and peace in this moment. I have a lot to offer. I deserve love and respect. I am energetic, motivated, and ready to go. Life takes care of all my needs. I am always inspired and productive and continue to develop in my chosen path. I am stronger than I think. I am bursting with great ideas and I offer unique perspectives. I radiate love and respect, and in return, I get love and respect. Affirmations for Every Day by Gilly Pickup.